Ladies and gentlemen, let me share some exciting news from the iconic British car manufacturer, Jaguar. In 2025, Jaguar will relaunch with an all-electric lineup, marking a new era for the brand. But with this transformation, there's a significant change. The traditional Leaper logo will bid us farewell. Instead, every new car will proudly display Jaguar spelled out on the front and rear. Now let's talk about the marvels that Jaguar has in store for us. First up, Jaguar is preparing to unveil a large, lavish electric saloon. This new model will serve as an indirect replacement for the much-anticipated XJ EV. Previously, it was believed that Jaguar's new four-seat Grand Tourer, launching in 2025, would be followed by a pair of luxury crossovers. However, sources close to the brand have revealed to Autocar that while one of these models will indeed be a flagship SUV, akin to the Bentley Bentayga in stature, the other will be an imposing limousine. Imagine a vehicle conceived in the mold of the XJ but heavily redesigned, substantially larger, and much more luxurious. These three magnificent cars will be priced between $100,000 and $125,000, and they will come equipped with state-of-the-art features. Expect four-wheel drive, four-wheel steering, and ultra-fast charging capabilities, allowing for a 10 to 80% top-up in just 13 minutes. Early details suggest that each of these models will produce no less than 450 bhp, sprint from 0 to 62 mph in a blistering 3.0 to 3.8 seconds, top out at 155 mph, and offer impressive ranges between 385 and 475 miles. Jaguar's electric future is not just about innovation. It's about setting a new standard for luxury, performance, and design. So get ready to witness a transformation that will redefine the automotive landscape. Thank you.